See the hard rain going all along the cornfield. Yeah, this is a supercell. Cause it's coming. Oh my God, it's coming. It's gonna be a waterfall. Not much we can do. Huh. Now you can see it. Can you see it coming?
Yep.
Here comes the wind. Yep. Trees are blowing. Let's see how your swing set holds up against this bad boy. How we doing?
Whoa!
What? It'll hold up.
Will it?
Yeah. It will. That's why Daddy put the trampoline where it is. Your swing set's chained down, so it's gotta have some hold. Let's go over here. Come on. Ah, look at that. It's coming because you can't even see it. Just heavy rain. Clifton, it's raining so hard I can't even see it. Okay, the eye's here.
Is this really what a supercell is?
Yeah, this is what a supercell is. I'm just trying to keep an eye on your swing set, make sure it don't go over this time. Hopefully those chains can do the job against this bad boy. Yep, here we go. There it goes! The rock thing's starting to lift up. Cliff, hold on.
What?
Hold on here. Daddy's watching out for something. Cliff? Your swing set's now okay? Oh. Yeah, this is the eye of the storm. We're in the center of the supercell. Your swing set's doing okay for right now. Looks like we just got some wind and rain. Not much. Are you scared? Why? What are you scared of? Come on, buddy. It's okay.
Check on my swing set.
Okay, I'll check on your swing set. How we doing?
Good. The chains will help.
Well, that's good. See, it's starting to calm. Whoa! not sure if I got that bad boy. Hey, let's see if I got that.